Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back, boys and girls, in the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, June the 29th, June the 30th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles. 2 of them I've already solved. 4-star Sudoku and the Killer Sudoku. I will solve this evening 4 out of 6. The other 2 puzzles I will do tomorrow, because in today's newspaper, the weekend edition, there's no additional extra puzzles. So I need some puzzles to solve tomorrow. We have 2 puzzles left: the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one I will do is the binary puzzle number 8812. And before I start, I always count the print the digits. This one has I believe 23 printed digits. 23. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now the double ones. Double one. Here no, there no. Double one. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one. Here no, there no. And now, let me think. Well, we have here 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 here or there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column, not allowed one of the rules. So these 2 boxes should be a 1 then. The O should be in one of those 2 boxes. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so in this column. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. Between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Still, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Then Then between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Then let me think. We have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rows. So this can be no, this should be 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Well, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Between those comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rows, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5, the 5th one. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, and this is number 5. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. 7 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.